Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I do see several options on here. Some of my Patreon members definitely did show some options that do fit pretty well. I do think this is more likely still a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. I am definitely still bullish until proven otherwise, and I think that this potentially may go all the way up to around that $2,500 area. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first post up is a 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 1. I think this is like an ABC correction, like a wave 2. I still think this is more likely a subdivision of a wave 3, like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and a wave 3 of 3. If it really is a wave 3 of 3, then this over the coming weeks and months on these higher time frames especially will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up towards that $2,500 area. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I did make an impulsive move down, but I still think it needs to at least make a wave 4 before it even finishes this sets and uptrend, potentially end up looking something like this. So I am definitely still pretty bullish. I think most likely we are in a wave 4 right now. Most likely this correction is probably not over yet either, so let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this move down looks more like a trend to me. I think there is a five-way pattern in there, which means that this move up is probably a correction to that trend. Probably more likely an A, probably more likely a B, probably come back up into this territory to finish a wave B before it goes down and makes a wave C. I think this rally-based rally area is a good 4 hour support area, lines up really well with the 38% fib. Then from there, that may be the continuation of the uptrend. And we do have to remember that we do have interest rates next Wednesday on March 20th for the US dollar. So I think there's a good chance that this could just continue to correct on the 4 hour time frame until at least next week's news. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where you can a little more clearly see this trend. It's very, very overlapping, very sideways, but it does have 5 waves to it. Probably more likely an A. Probably more likely we're in a wave B right now, which will probably go up at least into this territory up here. Then odds are that it's going to go down and make a wave C. Now, like I tell people in my membership, sometimes what we think is a wave B will just keep on trending up. So sometimes it is worth getting long if you think you're in a wave B, because sometimes it'll just continue the uptrend from there. But it does seem more likely to me that it will go down at least to the 38%, maybe go down, we test this rally-based rally area before it actually does break structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, giving us another nice entry to go long. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.